The code for homework is 279137448. Use this information to turn the words below into codes and the codes into words. Question 18. Worker. If we begin by writing out the word homework and then writing the code underneath this word, we can see which letter is represented by which number. We have 2, 7, 9, 1, 3, 7, 4, 8. So our first letter is W in worker, and you can see that the letter W is represented by the number 3, so 3 will be our first code number. Then the letter O you can see is represented by the number 7, so 7 will be our next code number. Next we have the letter R, and R is represented by the number 4, so 4 comes next. Then the letter K. The letter K is represented by the number 8, so 8 is next. Then the letter E, and this is represented by the number 1, so 1 is the next number. And finally the letter R, and we know the letter R is represented by the number 4, so 4 is the final code number. This means the code for worker is 3748114.